Hey there, let's explore how you can make payments to affiliates using Afflr. First, once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and have opened the Afflr affiliate marketing application and you are here on the Afflr dashboard, head over to the Payout section at the top of the dashboard. Once you're in the Payout section, take a look under the Balance subsection where you'll see all your required details for Payout, including the affiliate name, default store currency, the amount that is already paid, and the amount that remains. For example, if you want to make a payment to the first affiliate, you can check the currency, the amount already paid, and the remaining balance, which is 20 Singapore dollars. To proceed, click on the Pay button respective to that particular affiliate. A pop-up will appear, detailing the amount to be paid to the affiliate. You can choose your payment method from options like offline, store credit, or coupon. If you select store credit, you can decide on the currency, and for coupons, you have the option to make the coupon exclusive to the affiliate only. Let's proceed by clicking on the offline button, followed by the next button. You'll then be prompted to decide whether to pay the same amount or any lesser amount than the original amount for the time being. You can even add notes for the affiliate as a personal touch. Finally, click on the next button. You'll need to check a box to approve the changes in the payout. Once done, simply click on the Pay button. And that's it. Your transaction is now being processed. Now that the payment has been made, the payout details will disappear from here in the Balance section and show up in the payout history in the All subsection. You can see that the affiliate was just paid, and the status is marked as approved. That's how you utilize the payment feature in Afflr. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.